Magoo.
You alright?
You ready, Magoo? You know what's coming, right? It's trouble.
It's Lucifer and his evil friends.
Yo,
We gotta tell the people high and low.
y'all better get ready, people. We're in the last days, man. What's it gonna take for y'all to wake up? I love y'all. I cook food. I say come home. The house of David, the house of Jacob. This is the house of Israel. Family, listen. We're gonna be put through the ringer. I've been warning you people for years now. Seen? So, let me just put it this way. I Rastaman represent the Most High, the one and only true living God, the conquering Lion of Judah. People, I'm going to work for Baphomet, I'm going to work for Lucifer. See? Remember, Mattelna, do not take the vaccine, do not partake, because if you do, people, you are going to receive the mark of the beast. Remember, if you don't have the vaccine passport, you won't be able to go anywhere, buy nothing, do anything. All right. Go.
You have your stockpile of food, your dry goods, your water.
Okay. Because, boy, so when I'm shut down everything, I want to see how people are going to get by. Let's see how long y'all can go without food and water. Remember this. The same people that you trust is the same people that just lynched your ass and gave you a death warrant. So, people, wake up. Seen? I'm going to come for play games with these demons. Remember, at the end of the day, I and Rastaman have to answer to the Creator for what I have done. So, me, I'll make sure I walk that straight and blood clean narrow path. Pips!
Oh, Jah, here I and I answer to your cry.
I was born and raised in the ghetto. I was born and raised in the ghetto. Mommy and daddy lived in the ghetto.
What a nice bass line.
Food farming, say you come a town to learn art stepping. You to move like scotch bonnet paper. Tell me which life you really prefer. Remember Nasty Morgan was a art stepper. Rude Boys and Connie was a art stepper. Day after day and him gone later. Tell me if it's their footstep you a follow.
They've got great cover, so without your help, I know I suffer. Hear me while I call on you, and help me to conquer. Only you are fair, be with me everywhere.
Na 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 na
boy, my peeps. Oh.
As I lift mine upon my hand, may God bear my witness. They all have to pay for the wrong that they have done.
Ow, ow,
If it takes 1,000 years, the time will come.
ow,
The
ow.
mother feeling, the mother bar. Woo, woo. Woo, woo.
Muscle.
So I'm feeling sad and lonely.
Tough love. One man who like King Selassie and the 7 black and learner. Now make them one who don't get to youth strife. Burn out them chain and them shackle, alright? I want the people bring down themselves. When there's a lot more children out there who need just get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See you know we can make them make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a piece for the life. Get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See you know we can make them make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a piece for the life. And you we know where we want, they can't hurt us. You're like a tree without a root if you don't know your purpose. We burn the play and we live and nervous. Only King Selassie I can purpose you. And appreciate me and the warrior sit down. One like a reverend for the child is squabble. Big up the hustle of the farmer. One from the ground and confusion. And get up for your bone. And get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make them make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a beast for the line. And get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make them make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a beast for the line. I never say yes, sir. Be hungry, yet look angrier. Cause our father's story has never been told. You will hear the Satan things from the world, yeah. Up here, flights and things around the world, yeah. And now Rasta man and things throughout the world, yeah. And Babylon beer and things that promote the world, yeah. I just get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make the people take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a beast for the life. Get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make the people take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a beast for the life. Push on the stop, no be no time. Be serious and no just rhyme. Get the youth, no make them triple. No to the top, no feet climb. Need nothing and need so kind. Everlasting no fish shine. One belong them, give them guns and newspapers. They show them kind, that's why perfect come bring them out. East, west, north and south. More of them and a shot me now. The stop till it come out. Every stand up and unity in each and every community. Got more opportunity and less guns alone. That's it. Just get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure up life for you. Stick together like a beast for the life. And get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure up life for you. Stick together like a beast for the life. Just so we know when we want they can hurt us. You're like a tree without a root. If you don't know your purpose, we burn back and we live and nervous. Only King Selassie I can purpose. And appreciate me and the warrior sit down. We go and block a reference for the child is one gun. Big up the hustle and the farmer. Go and calm the young and confuse and have the tough for ya. I'll find out what you get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make you take no right for you. Get up and strive for you. Pressure of life for you. Stick together like a piece for the night. Get up and strive for you. Get up and strive for you. See who know we can make you take no right for you.
Yes, my beautiful people. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. You feel better? Yeah? You feel like saying hello to everybody? No? Why? 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 Because I'm not follow John? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, you want my juice? Wait. What? I will give you some juice. Just hold on. 2 seconds. See? I'll give you some juice. Hold on. I'll put some in here for you. Okay? So just hold on. Say hi to everybody while I get you some juice. No? You're not going to say hello? No. You're going to say hello? No? Oh, you just want your juice. This is Magoo, my best friend. See? Magoo know things that I know and all the other animals know. Right, Magoo? Mm-hmm. And what is that? Hmm? Hey, peeps, he's coming back, see? And when I said he's coming back with a vengeance, people, I don't think you guys grasp yet how big of a problem you got. I'm trying to break into the juice box, bro. Hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Give me a second. He wants to break into the box by himself. Give me a second. Hold on. You want your juice? Just get 1 second. 1 second. There's your juice. There you go. Good. Yeah. And I'm content. People, y'all need to wake up. See? We're in the last days. You see with your own 2 eyes. Right before your very eyes. Overnight, y'all lost all your rights. You don't realize it yet, eh? Oh, yeah. Magoo says, boy. How little do they know, eh? Them set fire their must tail. And thought that was a cool breeze, didn't he, Magoo? Yeah. People, wake up. We're family. House of David, House of Jacob. Yo, this is Israel. Wam fam. A long time. Many of you know me as John the Baptist. Some as St. John. Some as John the Regulator. Some as John the Regulator. Yeah. Peeps, bring good news for the godly, and I bring some badass news for the ungodly. So you, the wicked, the vile, the ungodly, you're going to a place that is very ungodly. People who do good and suffer and keep the faith, let me tell you, the reward is the shenizzle. It is the shit. Hear me? I ain't never seen nothing as amazing as Upstairs. That was fly. That was dope. That was bombastically hip. You finished? Okay. Yeah? Are you going to say hello to everybody now? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. I'll wipe the juice off. There you go. You good? No. Say hello. You're not going to say hello to the people. You're not going to say hello. No, you want to feed? I am just want to feed, man. Eat and drink because I just rope in. See? So, peeps, wake up. We're all one big family. Ain't that right, Magoo? Yeah? I love you, peeps. Open panel, big up. Everybody welcome. Badman style. Live as one. So many times we have been beat. And so many times they try to criticize my scandalous trying to bring another life to shame. But me not again. To never be sucked up once more. Cause we are one big family. Living in a harmony. Yes, we are one big family. Living in a country. George Wanga, Music. Cause the way I'm a baby. Peter Metro and Michael B. Judah Reed, that is a speed. We are one big family. Living in a country. Yes, we are one big family. That's the way it ought to be. John on, peeps.
Just let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah. Just let it be, let it be. For you and me. Let it be unity. Yeah. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. Let there be more peace and love. Iniquity just can't work. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. You don't seem to know what life is worth. So many people are suffering, even the people are suffering. What is really happening? This is a question I've been asking. Instead of fighting and killing each other, why can't we all get together? The only way is for you and me to win the victory. Yeah. But if you don't want to give me an helping hand, I'm gonna stand up on my own. Jah will never leave me alone.
Never,
Let
never,
there be
never.
more peace and love on the face of this earth. Let there be more peace and love. The iniquity just can't work. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. You don't seem to know what life is worth. I wanna know if it's because of religion, why there is so much division. Make the right decision. We don't need no more confusion. The only way things can be better, we have to show love to each other. Just try your best and Jah will do the rest. Yeah. All because of negativity, I have to be living in misery. I have to be fighting to survive. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. Let there be more peace and love. Iniquity just can't work. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. You don't seem to know what life is worth. Just let it be, let it be, let it be. I'm talking about the unity between you and me. Just let it be, let it be, let it be. Oh, unity for you and me. So many people are suffering, even the babies are suffering. What is really happening? This is the question I've been asking. Instead of killing and fighting one another, why can't we all get together? The only way is for you and me to win the victory. Let there be more peace and love on the face of this earth. Let there be more peace and love.
You hear that, peeps? Alright, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, when I went upstairs to heaven, oh boy, that place was chilling. People, you can't be evil and get into heaven. You can't be wicked and get into heaven. I'm telling you. You see all these clowns, these jinns that are acting a fool, like they're Rambo and Commando. You see, when them realize people, angels are going to stop them at the gate and give them a swift kick in the ass the other direction. That's when they're going to realize they fucked up big time. People, do the right thing. See? We don't know any of them clown there who can actually prove anything other than I am Rastafari. See? So, peeps, as I said, do the right thing. Please, man, beg on them. Come home. Seek the Most High. Right, Bago? Yeah.
waste your time. Just slip behind somewhere to find. So many roads, so many ways to tarry. Lord, better you would take your time. Just check the sign, try the gun. Still a long, long, long road we got to tarry. Very high mountains yet we got to climb. Yeah. Still a long, long road we got to tarry. Yeah. Very high mountains yet we got to climb. Oh, I'm walking on this little road to tarry, Lord. No money make man lose their mind. Don't have to grind, forget them man. Never be this place we all be this time, Lord. Take it and read the time. Just watch the time, don't stay behind. It's still a long, long, long road we got to carry. Very high mountains yet we got to climb. Oh, oh. Still a long, long, long road we got to carry. Yeah. Very high mountains yet we got to climb. Oh, oh. The waters overflow, yes, need to carry, Lord. One thing is gonna drown. Just love is strong, first thing in strong. So many body burdens still need time. Yeah. Some often seem to waste their time. Just live beyond somewhere to find. So many roads, so many ways to tarry, Lord. Take your time, just take the slide, try the garden. Still a long, long, long road we got to tarry, Lord. Very high mountains yet we got to climb. Oh, still a long, long, long road we got to tarry. Yeah, yeah. Very that you're seeking. From the throne of David, yeah, it's obvious that you're lifting. You have no respect for the king of all kings. So his name I'll be always exalting. So I'll never go where pagans go. Never do what heathens do. Cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what they daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie, I get shots in the bay. Rasta words of your substance. I'll never go where pagans go. Never do what heathens do. Cause Rastafari give out the guidance. Never say what the wicked are say. Neither will I walk in the council of way. I ask me no God, so I never go astray from my roots and my culture. Neither will I forget my homeland, Mama Africa. So go and separate from the vipers, from the hypocrites and from the vampires. Hail the King of Kings, for he giveth all the powers. Born in Ethiopia, look, it's written in the scriptures. Who are the righteous? Say they are the truth seekers. Go beyond to you, God's leaders. So I'll never go where pagans go. Never do what heathens do. Cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the daddy just say. For Emperor Selassie, I get shots in the bay. Rasta words of the substance. I'll never go where pagans go. Never do what heathens do. Cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what the wicked are say. Neither will I walk in the council of day. I is my guide, so I'll never go. I'll never go. I'll never go where they go. Oh, I'll never stray. No way, no day. No, I'll never say what they said. Oh, I'll never go where they go. Rastafari, I will always follow. Me the heathen can't come sway. No way, no day. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'll never go where pagans go. Never do what heathens do. Cause Rastafari give out the guidance. I'll never say what
Wow. You Irish? You ragamuffin? Hmm? You cool? Yeah? Say hello to everybody. Say hello. You can say it better than that. Come on. Quit being low. No? Okay. Am the one talk to soul. Peace and blessings. Welcome everybody. People. We're living in the last days. Now, as I say, many holy men want to talk this and talk that. People, ask them 3 key questions. Ask them to bring forth the book. See, it's written in all the different books about the book. See, if they can't produce the book, people, run them. Simple. Because they're deceiving you. False teachings, false doctrine. Yeah, I thought you said you were going to thank you. Yeah, he does. Murmur. I know what he wants. He wanted to go to his cage. So I hook him up. You good? Alright. See you in a minute, right? Beeps. That is the first question. Now, you see, if they claim they got a book, they produce a book, it has to match the book that was given to me by the Creator. Now, you see, if it don't match the Creator's book, bye, see ya, wouldn't want to be ya. People, listen, question everything. If it don't match the book, word for word, in detail and description, run them. Alright, peeps, as I said, I'm here to save souls, not take souls or take lives. Nope, that's an abomination, a crime against the Most High God. So, Let those people keep using his name in vain, running around the place killing people. Hey, when they realize they ain't getting in the big house, that's when reality is going to kick them in the ass. Real talk. Peeps, I'm loving them. Come on. Why are you laughing? What's going on, my people? Wake up. Boom shots.
Kingston this morning, on the radio I heard Marvin Gaye. But if it was BLS in New York City, Barris Hammond wouldn't be starting my day. Ain't nothing wrong with a little soul music, but we'd like to hear a little more reggae. You know the people in the streets ain't too happy, cause what I'm saying I always hear them say, what's going on? Yo, Mr. DJ, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Yo, Mr. DJ, what's going on? You should have known say reggae music keep us skanking. Reggae music keep us bubbling. Reggae music keep us jumping. Reggae music keep us dancing. Yeah.
It's a few simple words of advice to you. Put your ears to the street.
You hear the people complain about what's being played. Here's the word on the streets. What's going on? Yo, Mr. DJ, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Yo, Mr. DJ, what's going on? Okay, we one drop our step, dance and rockers. The upbeat of the people. One drop our step, dance and rockers. All day.
Yo, Mr. DJ, this is the message of the day. The people wanna hear you play some more reggae. I say play the tunes that'll make the people say. The DJ made me feel real good today. Boom! Bust the move and find the groove. Automatically see yourself where you never lose. Spin the tunes on the table, then you heard the news. It's the DJ even made the lazy people.
It's a few simple words of advice to you. Put your ears to the street.
You hear the people complain about what's being played. Hear the word on the streets. What's going on?
Rub them style and flat song. And that's what me them like.
What's going on?
Lyrically, them can't touch with.
What's going on? You should have known some reggae music keep us skanking. Reggae music keep us bubbling. Reggae music keep us jumping. Reggae music keep us dancing. Look at the people that don't feel the real vibe. Pump up the reggae music and keep them alive. Look at the people that don't feel the reggae vibe. Pump up the reggae music and keep them alive. Cookie with one drop and steppers, dance and rockers. The upbeat of the people. One drop and steppers, dance and rockers. All day.
Yo, Mr. DJ, this is the way. The people wanna hear you play some more reggae. I say play the tunes that'll make the people say. The DJ make me feel real good today. The bar bust the move and
will follow you. You do evil, evil will follow you. Oh. And good will follow you. And good will follow you. Lord of mercy, what's this on we? Yes, my people. Ow. My beautiful people. Ow. And God bless you. Ow. Boom, boom, boom. Listen, peeps, them a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Ow.
And it is my soul. Too much wagonist,
Ow.
too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd.
Come on, my people.
Too much informers,
Ow.
too much still bearers. Too much informers,
Too much devil worshipers.
too much still bearers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision.
Ow. Real talk.
Too much informers,
You know.
too much still bearers.
Them a devil worshipers.
Too much informers, too much still bearers. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Too much watch and keep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Too much watch and keep. It's time the wolves them leave the sheep. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Too much informers, too much still bearers.
Devil worshipers.
Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah. Too much watch and feed. It's time the wolves and leave the sheep.
Peeps, y'all need to wake up. Remember, I'm here to make way for the second coming. See, I have proof, I have evidence, as it's written in Scripture, word for word, in detail and description. People, I'm St. John, aka John the Baptist. I'm back, peeps. I have the book. That's why all this crazy shit's going down. See? Lucifer, he knows his time is up. I gave him notification. He packed up and ran away. Now I'm gonna try to take as many people and as many souls with him as possible. Peeps, don't partake. Hear me. Keep the faith. With your eyes and ears you shall see and hear the wicked reap their reward. Jano. This a Rastaman party. We're bun things. Jano. Come in, my selector.
Yeah, Rastafari party.
Sean is on record.
Me day I go and build, I go and chill, and I sit some roots above a hill. Cause Rasta no consume season poison. Yeah, in a Rasta party, yeah. Everything gonna upload, every Rasta we see me make them proud. Fresh like water on the grass, we no green, no let a prince and princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything gonna upload, every couple we see me make them proud. Fresh like water on the grass, we no green, no let a prince and princess, kings and queens. Never know a Ras have the prettiest car. Fruit punch, all kind of roots in our bar. Everything straight when you sit in our place, cause you can't shake it in a Selassie I part. No members there, and if you know this, some born and raised and some are tourists. Them a go on like say Ras now have fun. Chalice a blaze from sun up to sundown. Yeah, everything gonna upload. Every Rasta we see me make them proud. Fresh like water on the grass, we no green, let the prince and princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything gonna upload. Every couple we see me make them proud. Fresh like water on the grass, we no green, let the prince and princess, kings and queens. Healthy living and that the Rasta promote. No man is water, cause we no yam goat. You can get a cup of safe spring water with it. We no yam nothing where you have to die with the road. Me a bar with phalange and some bone. And me fast cause me a drink wine from noon. Me no want see no balloon, me no pepperoni. Me vegetable stew that no have nothing on it. Yeah, everything done upload. Every Rasta we see me make them proud. Fresh like water, my house in a green. Let the prince and princess, kings and queens. Yeah, everything done upload. Every couple we see me make them proud. Fresh like water, my house in a green. Let the prince and princess, kings and queens.
Yes, peeps, that's how we drop it. Ow. You know this one, right? One love, one heart. Let's get together. Feel alright. Hear the children crying. One love, hear the children crying. One heart, saying give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
someday. Cause it's never too late to turn things around. So stop worrying about things we have no control over. The world cannot be won by just a single soldier. You can't change what happened yesterday, but you choose what happened now. Hang on, but don't hang yourself. Things will come around. And when you felt you had enough, please don't beat yourself up. You're only human. To a problem, there's more than one solution. You feel down and ready to give in. Remember, you lose before you win. Please don't give up the fight. You can't win if you don't try. It's never too late to turn things around. Every day is a new day. So pick yourself from the ground. And all if you try and you fail, try and try again, you will get it someday. Cause it's never too late to turn things around. So even when you know you mess up, just keep your head up. You fall 1,000 times, get up, yeah. In life, mistakes are to make, so we learn from that and use it for the best. These problems will follow you to the moon. Remember, it will all be over soon. Brush them off like thousand moon. Let them float away like a balloon. And when you felt you had enough, please don't beat yourself up. You're only human. To a problem, there's more than one solution. You feel down and ready to give in. Remember, you lose before you win. Please don't give up the fight. You can't win if you don't try. It's never too late to
Never
turn
too late.
things around. Every day is a new day. So pick yourself from the ground. And all if you try and you fail, try and try again, you will get it someday. Cause it's never too late to turn things around. So stop worrying about things we have no control over. The world cannot be won by just a single soldier. You can't change what happened yesterday, but you choose what happened now. Hang on, but don't hang yourself. Things will come around. And when you felt you had enough, please don't beat yourself up. You're only human. To a problem, there's more than one solution. You feel down and ready to give in. Remember, you lose before you win. Please don't give up the fight. You can't win if you don't try. It's never too late to turn things around. Every day is a new day. So pick yourself from the ground. And all if you try and you fail, try and try again, you will get it someday. Cause it's never too late to turn things around. It's never too late to turn things around. Every day is a new day. So pick yourself from the ground. And all if you try and you fail, try and try again, you will get it someday. Cause it's never too late to turn things around. It's never too late to turn things around. Every day is a new day. So pick yourself from the ground. And all if you try and you fail, try and try again.
Yes, my beautiful people on Facebook. See if them cut eye and eye shortly. I will be right back. See? So there will be a part 2 for Facebook. Just like that. Babes, ooh, God bless, no man shall curse. I'm call it just like that. Babes, oh, well, I'm just reset up Facebook again. Alright. Add title. Part 2. Done. And start. Hello. How are you? You're good? Yeah? Ooh. You're pretty? Yeah? Okay. I know you're pretty safe. Look, all you ladies McCall out there. Look at me, I'm Mr. Magoo. I'm rolling big time. Ooh, yeah. Spread my beautiful wings. Hmm? Yeah. ladies, I traveled 7 seas.
John. Whoa. True word.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that for you? Yeah? Okay. Babes, I love them. Simple as you see me. Do not underestimate what I said to you. Please. Do your research. Take the time in this plan Udemy. Ooh. Spread your wings through the good book. You'll see I Rastafari has been on the up and up. Straight up. See, because I ain't got no time to play no games, right, Magoo? Alright. Babes, my love and all. Come in.
Magoo?
Don't let this life get you down. No, oh no. Be strong, never feel like hope is gone. It may be hard to carry on, but you can make it if you try. If you try. Just lift your head above the sky and praises be to the Most High. 'Cause life ain't easy, that's no lie. That's no lie. Oh no. Only the Almighty One, He always sees us through. He never ever leave our side. No, no. He strengthens our thoughts and bless our hearts so true. So by His rules we shall abide. Shall abide. Be strong, never feel like hope is gone. It may be hard to carry on, but you can make it if you try. If you try. Hey, just lift your head above the sky and praises be to the Most High. 'Cause life ain't easy, that's no lie. Oh no. Just remembering that all times not only when in need. Oh no.
Say goodnight.
I know He'll give an every hand. All of Him.
Say goodnight.
All
Say
of
goodnight. Say goodnight.
All of Him.
Goodnight.
All of Him.
Say goodnight. Goodnight.
Oh yeah. Strong, never feel like hope is gone. It may be hard to carry on, but you can make it if you try. Whenever I am weak, He lifts me up with grace. We've got to give it all we can. All of Him. All on Him. All on Him. All on Him. Yeah. Oh yeah.
your revelation and your judgment. Oh,
You don't know where I'm coming from.
it's called
I
heaven.
really don't care
Bum
what
shots.
I'm thinking. Trying to get to know that someone match your way. Don't let them lead you astray when love's so close within. So you better hold on. What you believe? Yeah, I say you better hold on to what you believe in. Say you better hold on to what you believe in. I've been through many stages of my life without having you as a problem. Oh, won't turn myself around to suit nobody else. You don't have care for the world, you care about yourself. So gotta hold on. Yeah, so you better hold on. Yeah, so you better hold on. What you believe in. Try to get to know that someone match your way. Better take care of yourself, 'cause no one else will love you. Better hold on to what you believe in. I'm telling you, better what you believe in, baby. Hold on to what you believe in. You don't know nothing about me, yeah. Don't listen to what they say. Don't judge me, yeah. Spend a little more time to understand what I'm about. Listen to me, I say you better hold on to what you're thinking. Say you better hold on.
He who seeks of only vanity and no love for humanity shall
Fade away
fade away.
like butt against the sun.
He who checks for only wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away.
Don't never get in them pearly gates. Ow, ow.
Though some believe in diamonds and pearl and feel like they're on top of the world, they shall fade away. Hear what I say? The rich is getting richer every day, and the little that the poor man got, it shall be taken away. Do you hear what I say? Yeah, hear what I say? The man who worships silver and gold shall surely lose his own soul, then fade away.
Real and I met the rose. Enough time me stepping out the streets with me brother close. Yeah, more life me need me forever chose. Me I tell my friend my foes. From we have life, we have everything, we have everything. From we have life, God forgive me for every sin. Him give me bread for sing. From we have life, we have everything, we have everything. From we have life, we have it clean and everything, real and genuine. Frost!
We know office in no picture on no dead poster. Every day my friend them dead, it's like it get closer. Out of the stress we get to life, we want to get older. One heap of things but we go through, we cannot get over. So me no want no man to tell me about no six shooter. Give me a word, protect me money, mind them six shooter. Some man a squad no for the money, them a big joker. Mama no for your ball, but no shoulder.
From we have life, we have everything, we have everything. From we have life, God forgive me for every sin. Him give me bread for sin.
Welcome, 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 welcome. How you doing?
Yes, brother, one, yes, sir.
There. So how are things with you and the fam?
Family, everybody is good. We're just here chilling, you know.
Okay, where are you guys located?
Toronto, Canada, you know.
Alright, I'm in Calgary, Alberta, originally from Kingston, Jamaica. Do you know who I am and what this is about?
Well, let's I pass through and I yell up, you know.
Alright, respect. Now I follow you, I want you to follow me. See? Because blood,
The truth
big,
that I'm all about to, you know, telling the truth because the lie shall fade away, you know.
Alright. Question, my brother. Do you believe in the scriptures? You believe in the good book?
You know, say, so it's a Bible topic.
Well, yeah. Like, do you believe in the story Adam and Eve and all that stuff, and the King of Kings, the conquering Lion of Judah, and da da da? You believe in that stuff?
You know, I know I know.
Alright. So, in the beginning, Adam and Eve, hold on, let me do this mirror thing here. Hold on, this so you see it properly. Mirror. So, in the beginning, Adam and Eve were told not to eat from the tree of life. So, the Creator chased them out and placed a cherubim and a flaming sword to guard the tree.
I know the story, man. I know the story, brother. I hear the story there quite much time already, you know.
Alright.
And I grew up in a Christian family, so yeah.
But you've never actually seen the story now, have you? Oh, them freeze. The camera freeze. Maybe he'll be back.
My spiritual awake. That's my guideline. My guidance. Jah is my guidance. I'm gonna have to look in a book for really get that direction. I used to read the Bible and I have a strong connection with the Bible. When I read scriptures and I even Psalms, things move. Very powerful. There's something about the Bible that doesn't resonate with me on the level that, but big up to all the Christian that my wife is a
it's
Christian.
not even really say about Christian or that. It's basically many people don't believe the story of Adam and Eve. They believe in the Big Bang Theory and the single cell organism, blah blah, garbage, right? So I'm just kind of roping through. So have you ever seen a real angel? I'm gonna put up my website, and you can go and check out some things yourself, blood. I've been to heaven. I met the big guy. He's a lion, and he's the coolest cat you'll ever meet. Trust me, people. I met the coolest cat. He was so cool, I had a mind meltdown. Alright? I couldn't believe what I was seeing. And I asked him, why does he hide? He says he doesn't. He says, just look around you. And people, is true. Because remember, you come into this world Okay, there's a website. And then my YouTube channel. I got some videos you can go watch. And everything, my whole entire Bible is in the sky. From start to finish. See? I'm St. John, aka John the Baptist. I'm back. He's coming back, peeps. And this is how big the angels are. That's a truck right there on the highway. These are his legs. Private, waist, ribs. The other wing, if this thing will adjust, is here. And then the other wing. Here, maybe if I kill this light here. Trying to get this thing to adjust. Okay, next pick. So people, when I say you all got a big problem coming, there's Jesus right there. That's a truck. There's the angel. All the blue. Okay? So, peeps, y'all think you're big and y'all think you're bad. No, you're not. I'm at the biggest, the coolest for now, but I definitely...
Hold on there. Big but what you talk about I don't understand.
Hold on it. Peeps, listen. Right now around the world, listen people, right now around the world, many people believe they're big and bad and this and that. People, I'm not talk you, you know, sir. I'm not talk you, so don't think I talk you. No, so don't take that the wrong way. Because I've been on here every night, blood. Listen, I'm here every night, and trust me, when I said to people will affirm, you must say this every night. People, listen, we're not that big and we're not that bad. Trust me. We are an atom within an atom within an atom within an atom within an atom before the Most High. We're nothing. We're not even dust. Okay? So y'all need to humble yourselves. And remember, me tell you this, and I've been telling you this for years because it's posted on my YouTube channel, website. They're coming after us. We're God's chosen people. People, do not partake. Do not take the vaccine. It is the mark of the beast. Remember this. And who kind of exposed it in a sense where he said it best was Bill Gates. He says, yeah, I own the patent to the vaccine. And from you putting my vaccine in you, I own you. You hear the man must say. If you take their product because they own the patent and the rights to it, you become their property. And they can do with you whatever they want. People, it's a mark of the beast. Bill Gates patent number 666.
Yeah, man. Nobody not take. Me personally take that.
No, they're going. Hey, right now in Alberta, they've already started to deploy the military in certain places, and they're going to go door to door and start forcing people to take this shit. People, listen, alright. If you don't believe me, they're going to force you to take it. Listen to this. Alright? Why don't you listen to this? Revelation 13, 16, 17.
To receive a mark on their right hand or on their forehead. 17 said no one may buy or
Hold on,
sell.
I'm going to read it
Except he
on.
has a mark.
Revelation 13, 16, 17.
According to Wikipedia, he causes all, both small and great, both rich and poor, both free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hand or on their forehead. 17 so that no one may buy or sell, except he who has the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name.
Alright, the man come out with vaccine passport, this, that. People, if you look at the facts, COVID didn't even make the top 10 with what was killing people. The vaccine made the top 10, but COVID didn't. More people died from loneliness, broken heart, depression, being isolated, okay? People died from heart attacks. A lot of people died from fentanyl overdose. People, listen, look at the evidence and the facts. Why are doctors who've taken all their shots and their boosters still got COVID 3 times? And then they said screw it and they left their jobs. Okay, so something is up, peeps, and by the time you all get it, it's gonna be too late. Real talk.
Baba Mika.
So, my beautiful people, as I say, I'm not taking it. I will not take it. I refuse to take it. And it's just funny how overnight all of your rights just disappear. So how did you like that move, my brother?
Eh?
How did you like that move? How they just take away your rights overnight?
They never take away no rights from me, you know, because I never give them the rights to take, I never give them no chance to take no rights from me. So therefore, the rest is really up to the people, which is, you know, when that day come, you know, when that day come, everybody will know who is telling the truth and who is telling the lie and what is what.
Yeah,
Because
but
it's not man that roll thunder, you know, and flash lightning.
Well,
they even try to do that too.
they
You know what I mean?
they
They try to manipulate the energies and the vibration and the frequency of the planet and the universe. They try that. And the only way they can try that is through us. Because we are the one that connect, the original people that connect to the source.
true.
So in this 3D reality that we're living in, that where humanity doesn't have a proper behavior, you know what I mean, that give man the right, because it's us that really give the man the right to take advantage and do all these such things, even to the animals and the environment. You know what I mean? If we don't wake up now and start change our behavior and our ways and start step up to the plate and do what we're supposed to do, then, you know, those are the ones gonna really stand up to judge and answer questions, right? So they already know what go on. So
Yes, we
You know
do
what I
know. We do know, but a lot of our brothers and sisters are lost and really are clueless. And
well,
I
they're
have.
lost in the Kool-Aid because they've been drinking the Kool-Aid for years and decades, you know. The Kool-Aid is sweet, you know. I used to drink the Kool-Aid too. Kool-Aid sweet, man. Cover your eye, you know. Cover your eye so you can't see and you just don't care. You're just having fun. So, hey, everybody just want to have fun. Until when the fun done and attack claps and because when them are running, you know, them are run behind rocks and trees, you know, and the trees them are say, hey, listen, there's no hiding spot here.
I'm out of here.
There's no hiding spot here. The rocks gonna say,
Tree, get up
here.
and
There's no
run.
hiding spot here.
Oh God.
You know what I mean?
I hear you.
There's not gonna be nowhere to run. So you know, it's just you just gotta see, you just gotta stay righteous, stay conscious, and stick to just do the
Right thing.
work.
Just
Simple
do the
work.
right
Simple
thing.
work. That's what I want to do. Simple work. It's not hard. Follow the rules and the laws. You know what I mean? Of the universe and stay and just raise the vibration of the planet. That's what we're here to do and teach and learn. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's what it is basically. Simple thing. It's just simple thing. But everybody fall into the traps of greed and ignorance and you know the whole jazz.
7 deadly sins.
Right?
7 deadly sins. People.
Yeah, but nah, point no finger cause I once upon a time was there. I'm not perfect, but
Hey, so was I.
I've been painting my way as best as possible I can on a daily basis. And you know what I mean, I ask for forgiveness. I release from all of these things that I used to do. And it's not perfect, but trust me, I'm doing the thing. I'm doing the work.
As
You know what I mean?
I hear you, blood.
I'm doing Jaja work, not man work. When I do no man work, I Jaja work me I do. When me came here for do.
True.
And I'm still learning.
Yes, peeps. I hear that. Respect that. People, we're all going to go home, or you're going to get kicked out and you're going to go downstairs. The basement, not pretty. The basement is called the abyss. It's a very deep, deep, bottomless pit. People, it exists. It's real. Heaven exists because I've been there multiple times and I can prove it. Moreover, people, I have a picture Bible, which is the revelation of Jesus Christ, which Revelation and Genesis start at the exact same time and moment and unfolds on itself like a wheel. See? That's why they know who I am and they fear me. Peeps, I'm not the problem. See who sent me? That is your problem. Oh, y'all better do the right thing. I've been telling people this for years. For years. As I said, I've been around the block so many times, people. It is round and deep. Okay. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, man, because as I say, people, and I'll say again before my brother here, I've watched people take the vaccine and they wound up crippled, paralyzed, or dead. Okay? So, no thank you. None of them isms and schisms. And they were not sick. They didn't have COVID. They didn't have nothing. They were taking it as a precaution. Okay. And it's funny how all these other deaths, they all want to try to blame on COVID.
Yeah, the thing I cut out still in a family, the thing I cut out. But yeah, man, you see the frequency right now, I broke up because we are all our vibes right now. So, you know, the thing go already, the thing,
It's
the
true.
The liner, I break up really. So, you see me, I say, cause the thing powerful.
Yeah, man.
The conversation powerful, you know, so you know, say, that I got happen.
Hey, as I tell my people, I love you, my people. Come home. I've been to paradise. That place is real. He welcomes everybody. But many people reject him. Many people turn their backs on him. And many people are bound to Lucifer and Baphomet and earthly things. Okay.
Earthly things, man. Earthly things. Vanity, vanity. Tell you, boy.
Peeps.
Vanity, man.
Trust me. I've had, as I said, enough of my podcasts. They have taken everything away from me. And the Father provides, and He provides, and He provides. These people swear God off the cross, I'm a multi-millionaire. No. God provides people. Trust me. Y'all need to give Him a chance, man.
No, where's your milk, child? That's not your milk.
Yeah. So they don't start the madness down there with the vaccine passport yet, eh? Did they start with the vaccine passport down there?
You know, so I don't really for 2, 3 focus on them thing there still Rasta.
But
it's just like it's like me hear it and me see it, and you know, we know say Jaja have everything under control. So even though when you see what the eye say what them a try and whatever, you have to just believe and know say Jaja have everything under control.
Oh yeah, he
you
does.
know what I mean?
He does.
Like when we say the rest is up to the people. to really take responsibility of self, you know what I mean, and come together as a collective to really make, to end all of this. And if we don't do that, if we don't come together as one and end all of this, you know what I mean? Well, it's gonna be a harder road. It's gonna be a tough road. So you have to just right now we're not really focused. Eh?
Can you, but see, on the phone, try to change
Well,
if this whole with it, the meeting done and bring them together, I'm gonna stop. I need Wi-Fi for this.
I give you. Oh, yeah. Yes, murder.
Yes, Black. So, yes, peeps. As I said, we need to come together. God's people need to stick together. People, when God bless you, nothing will happen to you. See, if God don't bless you and protect you, you're on your own.
Yeah, you think the problem is, our people are worshipping too much false God. Everybody want to create their own God and I worship. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We're involved in too much cultism going on, and we're not really standing firm and we are worship. Right now, our money people are called God.
Mm-hmm.
You see me I say?
I hear you.
And money can't circulate without us people. Because the people are the power, and without the people, the money can't print. Money can't run. So why you worshiping something that you fully have control over? So it's a backwards thing of one. It's a trickery, mind trickery, and we call it reverse
psychology. Reverse psychology. Reverse psychology.
Yeah, and reverse engineering. If you really look on devil, and you spell devils forward, a live, when you spell evil forward and you push evil forward, you get live. And when you push live backward, you get devil. So that's what's going on right now. You see it? You see what I'm talking about? Look at what?
Yeah, man. Everything is opposite. God.
Yeah, so everything I go backwards right now. You see me I say? Because people get caught up too much in the vanity and too much, they get caught up.
Hollywood, Bollywood lifestyle. The Hollywood, Bollywood lifestyle.
Yeah, and it's all hypnotism. It's hypnotism. So, you know what I mean? People really want a real wake-up call for see what go on, but it's like they love this matrix so much, they will die for it. Some of them.
This ain't no matrix. This is friggin' reality. People.
Yeah, but it's a matrix. It's real when you invest your power and your time into it. It's nothing. If all of it plug out it's no real no more. Then that's when everything collapses. You know what I mean? It's the matrix. It's like this, my brother. You create something. You want to create something, right? So you want to create airplane. First, you got to create that airplane in your mind. You have to come up with ideas of parts and all of them things the way I put together. It's all going to create in your mind before you manifest it in the physical and look on it and say, all right, I made it. It's the same thing. Same way when you watch something, when you look at something, you know what I mean? It's the same thing. You create that reality, and then you manifest it. You create that in your mind, and it become your reality. So when you dwell into something, it's becoming real. You know what I mean? Dwell means when you partake.
True.
Into something. You know what I mean? Or when you create something. If you say you want a business, or you want you know what I mean? I don't know if you get the message.
No, I get what you're saying.
Like,
you will it into existence.
It's the collective.
You will it into existence.
Yeah, you reel it right in existence. That's how powerful the people are. when you invest, you know what I mean? So when you turn on the news, and even if it's false news, then put on the TV. When you put your time in it and watch it, you know, and believing into it, it's become reality.
True.
It's become real. So that's why they will put false news. It's not all of the news that's false and fake. But when they create, that's how powerful promotion is and campaign is. Because when they start put everything on the media for you to watch and look on and think, and that start replaying in your mind, because your mind, you know, is a very powerful.
True.
You see me I say? You know what I mean? And when you're on a low vibration and they harvest your power, and that, how they do that? They do that through the media, they do that through your food, and they control the behavior how you react. When you start to act certain way and talk certain way and not have no respect for people, and you know what I mean, not follow the rules, you're a cheater, you're a liar, and you say you're a bad man and you're a killer, you know what I mean? And then until eventually you reach the point where you destroy, you self-destruct, because nobody not kill you, you know, you kill yourself, you know. You reach to a point where you destroy yourself. It's either especially when children die, it's we that responds, people that responsible. It could come from the lineage. Somebody in the family, you know what I mean, that do something. That's why innocent kids die every day so much too, because they're innocent. But it's because of your deeds, because of what you do, and you will pay for that when time comes.
True.
You will pay for that. You know what I mean?
I tell them that all the
so
time.
Everything counts. The way you live, the way you drink, and what you eat, and what you put in your body, and everything counts. So that's why I try to tell my people them need to watch them behavior, watch how them eat. Be careful what you do. You know what I mean? Try to invest in something that's going to that's going to create a better tomorrow. Because it only starts with you as an individual. It starts with you, each and every one of us as individual. And it's all come together as one. You know what I mean? Because we all connect to the Most High. As within, so without. As above, so below. You see me I say?
True.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. We are the chosen on this earth, man, and you know what I mean? The chosen ones.
We're blessed.
And we have to.
Stand firm.
We have to stand firm, brother. Yeah, man.
I don't believe in none of that.
That's okay. That's free will, my brother. Remember, many people didn't believe Noah.
All right.
Many people didn't believe Noah. And guess what? Okay.
Hi.
Peace and blessings, my brother. How you doing? Welcome.
Hey, man. The thing is, you know, our ancestors been praying to this same God for thousands of years.
Okay.
And people to this very day are still praying.
But which God? Which God, though? Which God?
The God of the Bible.
Okay, whoa. What's his name?
Y'all can, nobody know his name, that's the truth. Y'all, some people call him Yahweh, some people call him Elohim, some people call him Yah. Y'all got all kind of names, but the truth of the matter is, even your own book says that his name is I am that I am. That's what the Bible, that's what God told y'all that his name was. He didn't say no Elohim, Yahweh, none of that. So all these names, but the truth of the matter is, right, God don't speak Hebrew. He don't speak none of these languages. So those are our languages. You can call, that's just what we call him. He doesn't have a name.
We can't describe
He
him.
doesn't listen.
Yes, I
But he
can.
doesn't listen.
Oh, yes, I can describe him. I could actually even show you him, my brother.
You can show me God.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, if you point to yourself.
No.
You know, I guess that believing in God is a foolish thing, you know, because if there is a God out there, he should answer for injustice in the world.
Let me address
So I
that.
don't believe-
Let me address that. My brother, he is returning. This is why I am here. I have proof and evidence as it's written in scripture. I have a picture Bible to prove who I am, who sent me, and yes, he's coming back. They did not get away, my friend. Oh, hell no. Oh, just you wait and see what's coming. Oh, yeah, it's going to be interesting. As I was saying earlier, people think they're big and bad. Oh, hell no, they're not.
Hey, but listen, so why nowadays all of a sudden all these people come out claiming that God sent them and that they're Jesus Christ or they're the Comforter, they're the last, they possess the Spirit, Christ is on earth now. It's a lot of big people on here that's making the same claim you making.
Okay,
So,
now, let's address that, people. Now, have you ever been to my website, my brother?
Been to your website?
Yes.
Bro, this is my first time ever seeing you.
Okay, so I'm going to put it up because I'm global and anything I say, make him back it up. Okay. Now go put
so just tell me first though, who are you and why, what's your purpose here?
Okay, my given name at birth is Owen Wayne Thomas. My mom got married and it got changed to Bennett. May 4th, 2006 at 3:15 p.m. I was sent for by the King of Kings, the conquering Lion of Judah. I was picked up by Yeshua, the Lord of Lords, and Gabriel. I was brought before the King of Kings and the High Council. He spoke to me, told me who I was, gave me instructions, gave me a scroll to eat also, and returned me to earth. And I have been documenting every time the angels have come for me, and this is how I can show you all of them. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, I got the whole posse. As it's written, word for word, in detail and description in the Bible.
Okay, cool. So you should be able to answer a lot of my questions then.
I can answer to the best of my ability. I do not know everything, but I will definitely answer truthfully. Go ahead.
So, is God all-knowing?
I would have to say yes. People, I met the coolest cat. Listen, when I met him, I had literally, I guess, a mind meltdown because the first thing that came out of my mind was, oh God, we fucked up. That was the first thing that came out. I looked up and I was like, wow. People, he was the most peaceful, loving, caring, kind, compassionate. He was funny. He was amazing. And he was very gentle, meaning for something that big to handle me, something that small you can't even see and not crush me, he's pretty cool. Okay?
So when did you meet him?
May 4th, 2006, Highway 23, just outside of Blackie, Alberta, about 3 kilometers before the train track. And that is where, just let me get back to it here.
Don't tell me you took a picture of him. You got a picture.
Hold on. Okay, so let's just, because it was just, this is at my, hold on, let me put this mirrored thing on so it works properly. So you're
Yeah,
not.
because I can't see anything.
Just a moment. I'm trying to get this mirrored thing to come up and mirrored. Okay. Whoops. I hit the button there. Just a moment. So here we have the tree of life, the flaming sword, and the cherubim. That's from in the book of Genesis. Okay? Everything is in the sky, in the clouds. This is the creator here. This is the wing, shoulders, the head with the star, the arm, the cross, the scroll. There's the arm, the elbow, the other wing under the arm. There's his chest. There's his legs. That's a truck on the highway. That's how big they are. Okay.
That's a truck on the highway?
Yeah, here. I got another one that'll put it into proper perspective for you. Just a moment. I got a crack in my...
Hold on, brother. We say in the clouds, you look up in the sky and
Look,
see that?
No, they picked me up. See that? That's a truck right... See that little thing right there? That's a truck. Right leg, left leg, private, waist, ribs. The wing in blue come up under the arm. There's the elbow, the cross, the scroll, shoulders, head with the star. There's the other wing. There's Yahshua, Jesus, looking this way over his shoulder. That's a truck. Y'all got a big problem. And it ain't me. I'm just a messenger. The revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave unto me to show unto his servants, things that must shortly come to pass. And he sent and signified by his angels unto his servant John, who bear the word of God, testimony of Jesus Christ, and to everything I saw from Genesis to Revelation. Peace be to he who read aloud the words of the prophecy for the times at hand. He's coming back and he's going to whoop some ass. I want to see who's going to tell him to get lost and come back later. That's going to be funny. Ain't going to happen.
I will. I'll tell him that.
Oh, no, you won't. People, please. I love this man. I don't even know this man. My brother, I would retract that statement if I was you, and I would not even make that statement again. That ain't...
So hold on there, brother. all right. Since you're saying that, okay, you're saying all of this and he's gonna come and whip some ass, but there's a lot of people are suffering. There's kids are dying and stuff, right?
Yeah, prophecy has to fulfill.
All right. There's a lot of people are dying.
Mm-hmm.
There's kids are getting tortured. There's kidnapped and all of those stuff.
Yes.
So what really?
Okay.
Who is like which ass? Which
okay.
God
Ladies and gentlemen, let me put it to you. Okay.
Hold on there. Which God are you talking about?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain this. Let me explain this to you. No, let me explain this to you. The creator who I met, everyone that I met when I went to heaven was animal and creature-like. The creator was a lion, a very big lion with an extremely huge crown, surrounded by angels, cherubims, everybody was worshiping. That's who I met. Lucifer, whom claimed to be some kind of angel, which he was never an angel. I have proved that hands down, because I can show you the creation of Adam and Eve. And when Adam and Eve were created, Lucifer was created at the exact same time and moment. He is known as the beast of the field. Okay? So, I just said something, I'm going to prove it now. Picked up by an angel. Okay? I didn't know how else to explain it to people. These things are picking me up. Angels are picking me up. Oh, no, you're great. Well, here are the pictures. Oh, where did you get those from? Every time they pick me up, I was instructed to document it.
Let me ask you a question, though. You know something what they call technology, though, right?
Hey,
There's technology and you have and there's spirituality. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about technology or spirituality?
spiritual.
What are you talking about?
Angels were picking me up. I never had a phone or a camera with me. It is the people who I was with that had a camera. I asked to borrow their camera and I use it to document it. Okay, so picked up by an angel. Now, many people say, oh, the story of Adam and Eve is bullshit. Well, okay. Adam and Eve photos. Oh, wow. People, everything is in the sky. So I can't alter, change, nothing. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, because I can't fly. Man, a bird.
How you pronounce your name, my brother? Martin Ra?
No. My given name at birth is Owen. But they call me...
No, me da ask the next brother there still. Me da yell up the next
Oh.
brother. What, Martin Ra? What you saying, brother?
Okay. Here we go, peeps.
Oh, he's not there?
He's there. This is the serpent. This is Adam and Eve. These are trees down here. Okay? Watch this. Sorry, just a sec here. Just have to get it to adjust. Completion. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't know the pencil would change it. Just give me a sec here. Eye, nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin, jaw, face, hair. As a snake with his hands stretched out to Eve. Adam has his hands in the air. So there y'all go. Lucifer was never ever a friggin' angel. He was pissed off because God gave us the gift of eternal life. Oh, we have the God gene. That's what we have. He never got it. See it there? You want to challenge me? I have a picture Bible. No words. My Bible don't come from mankind. My Bible come from upstairs. So, when you want to talk, my proof is before the world a long time. I just know you meet me. Them try to kill me, them try to do me all kinds of things. Me still there. Still there.
We all have a story still, brother. So
still there.
Big up your truth. Big up your truth and big up
He's
everything
coming.
and big up everybody.
He's coming.
I'm about this clock out right now still
Peeps,
because my
yes.
phone, I put my phone on.
No, I hear you, blood. I hear you. Peeps, keep the faith. It's real.
Big up your truth and, you know, me not go against your truth. I don't go against nothing anyone says because everybody have a reason to speak whatever what they're
as I say, everybody has free will, my brother. Free will. You can believe me or you don't have to believe me. What me say my proof, did I? So I not just talk, me talk.
Everybody have them journey and them part where them have to play. So that's how the thing go.
Yes.
So big up yourself.
And remember, people, do not take the vaccine. It is the mark of the beast. All right, they're going to force you to take the mark.
All right, brother, make the
One love. Keep it real. I'm here. I'm following you. So yeah, we'll link. Respect. Share the good news. Yes. People, as I said, I have no reason to lie. Trust me, you know how many churches I've been to? How many pastors I've talked to? And you know the first thing those pricks want to talk about? Oh, do you know how much money you can make if you publish that? Yeah, I'd be a gazillionaire. But I'm not here about the money. I got my Bible for free. I passed it on for free. So, People, there's a difference between me and the wolves in sheep's clothing. I'm a simple man who spoke the truth and presented evidence before the world unlike anything else you've ever seen. I can't fly, so how am I going to produce a Bible in the sky, in the clouds? That would be the damn good feat. And trust me, people, if I could fly, I would leave this evil, disgusting planet, and I would not look back. Trust me. I will. Peeps, wake up. I love you. Any other questions, my brother? Alright, I guess my brother have no more questions for me at the moment. People, listen. He is real. Listen, we keep the Creator so close to our heart. We sing about Him, we talk about Him, we laugh with Him, we joke with Him, because people, I'm our daddy, and I'm love with unconditionally. Now listen, I ain't a Rastaman not perfect, and in Jamaica I come from, life wasn't easy, trust me. And even now, living in Canada, life 100 times harder because I deal with some evil, satanic paganism at its finest. Okay, so peeps, listen. Next track, explain everything. He's real, y'all. He is worthy to be the one and only true living God. He is the King of Kings, the conquering Lion of Judah, and the picture Bible. And when I'm down and under, I have put that in the crew. He likes in Rastafari the house of David, the house of Jacob, this house of Israel. I'm back, my people. He's coming. Here. Oh. The Lord is my rock and defense. You hear that, Baphomet and Lucifer? He is my God and light. So tell me who shall nobody. When I need tender mercy, it's always there for me there. Come on, my family. He's about to turn the heat up on this bitch. I want to see who's going to survive. Purification by fire. I got the original book, way out. He is my shepherd, I shall not fall. You see the estate him give me? He is my shelter through storm. All when them try kill me. Head of the cornerstone. Y'all want dismissed. I love the joy you bring. You are sing Rastafari there. Come on, my royal family. I can prove who I and I is. I use the book. How will them use? From you rising the morning, don't get that in. The breath of life. When my beloved said, I'm Celestia, I prevail, and Rastafari. Oh, boom shots. Them can't touch me, I'm too legit. Run with demon. Roots. Roots, reality, and blood clay culture. They didn't like my mouth back then. I lost my head. They ain't gonna like it this time. I'm a ragamuffin. Now, solid always rocks, mom. I give the most from coast to coast, best in the West, and the only man that's ever been honest. Cross the board on the table. That's why I said, no holy man sit down up here with me. Why? I'm a wolf in a sheep clothing. People, I have the book. They tried to get rid of me. They tried to kill me. It didn't work. Father, protect I and Rastafari. Pips, remember, I am the most peaceful man on the land. Although them tried to get me ignorant and violent, I turned the other cheek and I smiled. Because I know where they're going and it sucks royally. Trust me. Pips, Roots, reality. I'm here, man. Come get some love.
One to them, bro. Yo, never
sing.
No mercy. Roots, reality, and culture. No that time me have it, but some boy I feel like treasure. Where them say them want? Roots, reality, and culture. Sometimes we have it, but the world does ask of it. Roots, reality, and culture. It is up to us to educate and the youngster. Amen, so let it be heavenly Father. Rule every man, hurt you, rule it entire. For truth and rights, every man should desire. The way out the poor live me, I admire. To defend the poor rights, me now retire. From the little and I go, me no people are suffer. All them are work, poor people now see it. Poor people work while the rich are get richer. Economy get up low, they leave a low with us. Every day we get up cars and living get higher. They raise up the rice, chicken, back and the flowers. Father, by the way, every minute, every hour. To the blood and the storm, like a black Noah. So, roots, reality and culture. Long time me nothing but the world does answer it. Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngster. Mankind stop live like some beast and some creature. Every day you get up and chat, but you a gangster. When we get mob, you are original master. Kill Malcolm X and then kill Martin Luther. Shoot at the gun and kill Google with dancer. Kill Peter Tosh, free and then kill Doctor. One solution is the Almighty Father. Every day them get up and fight the world power. Make them missile and a plan with the fire. When them wake up, them make rocket for behavior. Them and them wife, them son and them daughter. That now go working on the side of the Father. Hit them with lightning, brimstone and fire. Showers of rain, earthquake and volcano. Enough of them no believe in a God the Creator. Roots, reality and culture.
Beat you with it.
Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngster. Mankind a time for no acting proper. Stop fighting people and stop fighting labor. Pull down the fist so no fit pull down the finger. Stop out the middle no fit stop fire the copper. Stop shoot down your black sister and your black brother. Have time to report with the Almighty Father. Him a guide me every minute, every hour. On the darkest road and through the darkest hour. Enough time me hungry and drink some water. Go to me bed and me safe in me fire. And give some praise in me life every hour. So roots, reality and culture. Long time me but the world does answer this. Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngsters. Roots, reality and culture. Long time me have it but the world does answer this. Roots, reality and culture. It is up to us to educate all the youngsters.
Alright, so Maya said, if I have a picture of Most High Rastafari, the one and only true living God. Yes, I do. We document everything. Our people. See, many people have a good story, but when you ask them, do you have any proof? Do you have any evidence? Did you take a picture? Was there any witnesses with you? They always say no. How? Me? Yes, 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 yes. All the way across the board. Oh, so before you judge I and I, Rastafari, I think you better look through these pages and look at when he posts. Oh, then come back and talk to me. Oh, real talk.
the purpose of life. It is good that you have taken this picture of me in my palace garden at this park. So it can be known up to the entire world it was a just cause David still sings. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the land. You know see
now go get a picture and come back.
with me
What
that
side?
full suit me from Turkey. Down in the ghetto we don't gunshot a marquee. And the rum shop cheaper than Nightal Market. Babylon a pass, come make me massive. Turn up the bass and the treble little rattle. Penetrate straight through the cold hearted. Knowledge is a must, oh yes I blast it. So tell me what the rest you're asking. How I survive and surpass this. Ethiopia where the rich should be protected, the needy never neglected. And Selassie I always reflected. I tell them about David and Goliath. You tell them the quiet, Babylon say we start a riot. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You don't see man a ancient monarchy. With me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto with no gunshot a marquee. A black woman to who you are talking. Remember me tell you, careful who you walk with. Who go save the youth from blood and creep walking. Make the generation take it to what I'm talking. Selassie I am the king of all kings, yo. I tell them Selassie never dead. You want them must spread the promise sick in them head. Show them a picture of Selassie.
Right on.
Tell them to protect their life, yo. You don't see some man a Asian man.
Show ya.
With me that a full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto when a gunshot a baggy. And the rum shop cheaper than Nightal Market. Babylon a pass, give me the week of asset. You turn up the bass and treble make we blast it. Penetrate straight through the cold hearted. Education is a must, so yes I blast it. Yeah, so you ask me how I survive and surpass this. So that's it, we show them the way. Yeah. Show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the land. You don't see some man a Haitian monarchy. With me that's a full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto, down in the ghetto, yeah. Well, I'm shut up. Another one bomb, yeah. I keep moving on. Show them a, show them a,
Show them a, show them a, show them a.
show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the land. You don't see the man a ancient monarchy. With me that a full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto with no gunshot a marquee. Drinking up me calabash, never believe boy. Hey, fresh up on the scene, yeah. The marijuana so good and so clean, yeah. Don't say I never told you.
Long time I know you.
Carry on my friend, that's the far I already know you.
Long before you born. Yo, babes. Alright, catch us. Which person do you know that can state, for the record, them come from upstairs? Exactly. I can. It's written in scripture. I'm Zachariah's heir to the estate you're all on. See? Remember this, babes. My daddy don't make no mistakes. And when my daddy drop proof and evidence, as it's written in scripture, all the wolf in the sheep clothing pack up and run away. That's why I sit here alone, peeps. For to separate the sheep from the wolf. See? Oh, peeps, wake up. I ain't Rastaman's shepherd, only my daddy's sheep. Them wolf, my feet pound with them dirty vaccine, the mark of the beast. Don't worry. Peeps, no need to get up. Stand up for your God-given inherent rights. If you want to give up your crown and be a clown, that's up to you. Me no say. Rebellious to the maximums. Pips, listen.
Lord have mercy, why
Prophecy, must fulfill.
can't you see? Right in front of me, right in front of me, it's changing times. Right in front of me, before my eyes. Right in front of me, he prophesied. We all became the victims of the Almighty Father's love. Time and change, you must reveal to open the seal. It's time for you to change your ways. Be born again and throw away all the things you did before and open the door right in front of me. In my eyes, right in front of me, it's changing times. Right in front of me, before my eyes, can't you see? Old enough, but not wise enough to straighten up on giving up the promise made to me of life eternally.
Ever and ever.
To dig so deep inside to save my life. Right in front of me, in my eyes. Right in front of me, it's changing times. Right in front of me, before my eyes. Can't you see? Prophecy. Just in the fire, you know it can done. He's in the fire, and we get Babylon. Just in the fire to our nation. He's in the fire for purification. Just in the fire in shape of disease. To cause the people to get on the knees. Blaze up the fire, make it burn. Almighty Father, right in front of me. In my eyes.
Book of Revelation.
Right in front of me. It's changing times. Right in front of me. Before my eyes. Can't you see?
Yes, my beautiful people, as I stated before and I'll state again, he is returning. So please make way for the return of the Lord of Lords and the King of Kings. People, it is going to be one heck of a showdown, because I know for a fact 99% of humanity have no idea who God is. They have no clue how big he is. They have no clue how big his angels are. They have no clue about nothing, because they don't believe. But people, when he cracked that sky, oh, trust me, they all going to believe. People, he's going to come like a thief in the night. You hear me? Right now, we're going through some trials and tribulation. People, you need to keep the faith, and no matter what, don't put no poison in your body. Your body is a temple. Respect it as such. See and keep it holy, pure, and true. People, we're going to Zion, our war. Ya come, or ya stay? Which is it? Come in, my selector. Drop it like it hot. Jano. Peeps, we're not even around with them. Cause we know say the article bad boy from way back when. Channel. Okay, that one they don't want to come up. Hold on there. Let's try this another way. It have to work one way or the other. Alright, that one they definitely not play. So next track. Technical difficulty. Not perfect. Alright. Oh, that one, them one I don't want to play. Alright.
Jah protect us, you know what's going on, so we're coming in.
I'm gonna rise up.
Guide us, you know what needs, you know what
It's
doing.
time to rise up.
Michael Fabulous.
Oh yeah.
Michael Power.
I'm gonna rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh Jah, you are my every little thing.
Hear me.
Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within. I can feel that the Most High is within the mix, because He gave us the privilege to do something constructive. So just don't sit one side and criticize. Let's organize. You got to win the prize, but you've got to rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh child, you are my every little thing. Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within.
On the land, on the sea, on the sun, and when the dark of the man give me life. He make the birds, the man, the bees, the man, the fish, the man, the trees, them from creation, and him give me life. Give them for life, cause it's precious. Him take away my sorrows and him bless us. God bless we know we going out and coming in. Protect we from the missile and the guillotine. Now my love and you the dreaming while you grew up in.
Oh yeah,
stand up, all things and things.
rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh child, you are my every little thing. Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within. We ask Jah for guidance and protection.
Michael Fabulous.
Anytime the road get rocky, just give us some direction.
Michael Power.
Just like the
You back? Are you back, my brother? You back? You back?
Yep.
Okay.
Could you explain it?
Pardon me?
Could you explain it?
Okay, so what would you like me to explain now? Or do you have any questions? I guess we lost the connection. Bips. We keep it real. Seeing cover article. We're not skin teeth. Journal. Come in, my selector.
I'm gonna rise up.
Guide us, you know what needs, you know what doing.
It's time to rise up.
Michael Fabulous.
Oh yeah.
Michael Power.
I'm gonna rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh child, you are my every little thing. Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within. I can feel that the Most High is within the mix. Because He gave us the privilege to do something constructive.
Not destructive.
So just don't sit one side and criticize. Let's organize. You got to win the prize. But you've got to rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh child, you are my every little thing. Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within.
On the land, on the sea, on the sun, and when the dark of the man give me life. He make the birds, the man, the bees, the man, the fish, the man, the trees, them from creation, and him give me life.
You come here naked.
Give thanks for life, cause it's precious. Him take away my sorrows and him bless us. God bless we that we going out and coming in. Protect we from the missile and the guillotine. Now I love and you the dreaming while you grew up in.
Oh yeah.
Stand up, all things and things.
Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. Oh child, you are my every little thing. Rise with the sun, flow with the wind. This one is coming from deep down within. We ask Jah for guidance and protection.
Michael Fabulous.
Anytime the road gets rocky, just give us some direction.
Michael Power.
Just like the
So hold on. So the man them want claim say them a kill me. Them want claim say there is no God.
Hello, my friend.
Welcome, my brother. How are you? You're good? Good, good.
All right.
Good, good. Hold on. All right. Yo, people, he's my Russian brother. All right? I love him. Like my brother. Straight up. People, only difference is male, female, good and bad, godly and ungodly. That's it. Trust me. People, it ain't that hard. It ain't rocket science. See? Do the right thing. Seek him, find him. Before it's too late. People, we're in some serious times. Right now, they want to depopulate the earth by 5 billion people. It already started with their vaccine. People, it'll kill more people than COVID to blows on earth. So wake up. See? I witnessed that with my own 2 eyes, so I can talk about it. Real talk. See? I love that. Roblox style.
Been wanting them from
Long time I want them. Whoa.
Hear the voice of the most high.
Shut up. One more.
Remember I tell ya, blessed is
The man. Blessed is the man. Shadow, the one and only true living God.
Blessed is the man.
Oh.
Blessed is Selassie.
Ever and evermore.
Ethiopia stretched forth her hands and gave us the Redeemer of all man, defender of the faith, and Ethiopian is the captain, the chief field marshal sergeant. Going at his feet, 72 nation, Rasmacon and Ross Crown conquering lion. A Barbach and I, father of Africans, with Empress men and I stand at his right hand. Meanwhile, in a Jamaica land, holy trial and tribulation. Chastisement was upon all African, Bustaman, Tisekil or Rastaman. What kind of Selassie that to do a call pan? Trim them and bring the whole of them a station. Never in the name of my King of England will I ever live to see the Rastaman redemption. But when the 2-6 clash, that's when the plane land. King of all kings touched down in Kingston. Would you believe so said so done? Bustaman to blind couldn't see when the king come. Some of them deaf and see some of them dumb when them rise up against a Selassie kingdom. You politician with your evil agenda. Boom! Anyhow you this just remember I
been wanting them from morning.
Long time I want them. Channel, now black out until you see the lights.
Blessed is the man. Blessed is Selassie.
Rastafari.
Blessed is the man. Blessed is Selassie.
Ethiopia stretched forth her hands and gave us the Redeemer of all man, defender of the faith, and Ethiopian is the captain, the chief field marshal sergeant. Going at his feet, 72 nation, Rasmacon and Ross Crown conquering lion. A Barbach and I, father of Africans, with Empress men and I stand at his right hand. Meanwhile, in a Jamaica land, holy trial and tribulation. Chastisement was upon all African, Bustaman, Tisekil or Rastaman. What kind of Selassie that to do a call pan? Trim them and bring the whole of them a station. Never in the name of my King of England will I ever live to see the Rastaman redemption. But when the 2-6 clash, that's when the plane land. King of all kings touched down in Kingston. Would you believe so said so done? Bustaman to blind couldn't see when the king come. Some of them deaf and see some of them dumb when them rise up against a Selassie kingdom. You politician with your evil agenda. Anyhow you this just remember I
left with that shit, put the fire upon them. Lava splash, lightning flash, thunder crash upon them. We nearly see it and them a plan it from when I say Jamaica. Prison we a drop it upon them. Cause we with prison yard man a pocket from when. Tell Cameron say that is not a problem. Poor Francis and all them party gun friend. I spot with two of us, I put the track in upon them. I check with schedule and them a map it from when. Through the power of the Trinity we slap it upon them. Still I see I a God and we are God's children. Eventually we grow to be God still. Then we have to go and do the works we still I see intend. Empress men and she had the strength for women. Divine feminine, that are the vibe where she bring. When sex make her sing, she destroy everything. Yet still in the womb, life is within. She had the melanin and growing light in my skin. Highly still as this who Goliath with the sling. Mussolini foot get tied up with the string. Them singing, you require me to sing. Now follow all them evil agenda. They gonna remember I tell you, blessed is the man. balancing. It's like no one they are. When the rain start falling, everyone start to run for sheltering. My balancing, my balancing, my balancing. Yes, 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 yes. Love my children. Oh, my balancing, my balancing, my balancing, my balancing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my balancing, my balancing. Oh, my balancing, my balancing. If you think it's life, you should get the shine. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Don't worry, I will take you off your job. Words of wisdom. Find it. You hear my people? Yes, my beautiful people, please, I plead with you, I beg you, seek him, find him. He's a pretty cool cat. As I said, everybody, time and time again, heaven was the bomb, okay? I ain't never seen anything laid out like that place was laid out. It was a schnizzle, it was a schnitz. Real talk. Beeps. I would love to see all of you on the other side of the pearly gates. But right now, you're all being put to the test. Are you going to keep the faith in the Most High? Or are you going to bound take Lucifer's mark, that dirty vaccine? Babes, wake up. I do not endorse any of it. Seeing, I decree before the world, do not partake. Save your soul. Oh, it's worth it. Channel. Come in my selector. The common say a big bout ya. One love to my beautiful people worldwide. See? Come on, brothers and sisters. We're going home to Zion.
Get your act together, help you one another in this town. Cause we need it today. Stop fighting one another, killing off each other, selling out your brothers. Let me get the pay. No negativity can attend to you. Check your liberty, yeah. That is seeing what you doing wrong. This train, choo-choo.
We're rolling out, folks.
This train, to Zion is running a choo-choo. Oh, we are clean and so pure, shall the world. A man with tomorrow and kinds of power. Oh, so hold on this train. Oh, from miles I can hear the whistle blowing. In the sky I can see the smoke flowing, yes. Better be ready, one.
We're going home, babes.
Be ready, yeah.
Are you
I'm
ready?
sure that your life is on the right track. Cause there is no turning back. Oh, this train. This train. This train is running a choo-choo. Choo-choo. This train is running a choo-choo.
You can't stop this ride.
Oh, na 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 na. There's a light in the night and a tick in the clock. People running there and people coming there to catch the train, yeah. Yeah, but you got to be there.
Yes, my peeps, if they cut me, I'm coming right back to part 3. Yeah. should all know why. It's written in prophecy, the revelation. God called you home, people. And you can't test, sing.
Never you forget to pray. What them say? The real rock return. Bad mind people get burned. Yo, one chapter a day, keep the devil away. Never you forget to pray in the morning. One chapter a day.
Burn that devil every day.
One chapter a day.
You have to stay away.
One chapter a day.
Psalms 91 before you go to your bed. Psalms 26 when you rise. Can't go wrong.
When you wake up in the morning, never you forget to pray. Some Father God will make you see another day. Them say one chapter a day that will keep the devil away. Praise the kingdom and the order of the day, don't care where them are say. Give thanks to the ear you breathe and your body make up the way. Don't follow what to be need and let the devil leave you astray. Salvation alone shall have vanity will vanish away. Praise the king of all king, everything will be okay. Hail up emperor, feel like the legendary. Who you think me pray to when me not the sanctuary? Now make me arbitrary, put me in a no cemetery. Like a dictionary, lock it in a new vocabulary. Who know where you walk and who know say dignitary. And who know make the youth them get so revolutionary. Me see before it happen, so them say me visionary.
Revelation.
When you wake up in the morning, never you forget to pray. Some Father God will make you see another day. Them say one chapter a day that will keep the devil away. Praise the kingdom and the order of the day, don't care where them are say. Give them to hear you read and nobody make up that way. Don't follow what opinion and let the devil lead you astray. Salvation alone shall have vanity will vanish away. Praise the king of all king, everything will be okay. Stay there for with your wickedness, if you're not get a lick. For your man, true you have your fiber and your metallic. No I want about the problem, call the man a lunatic. Them a run about when them see the sun and the moon split. Calling all the Judaism, Islamic and Catholic. What's the matter with Uncle and that you don't have a pick. I hope you're ready for the giddy and apocalypse. Remember Psalm 26 when you lie. One chapter a day.
Can't go wrong. One chapter a day.
One chapter a day. One chapter a day. When you wake up in the morning, never you forget to pray. Thank Father God will make you see another day. Them say one chapter a day that will keep the devil away. Pray to the kingdom and the order of the day, don't care where them are say. Give thanks to the ear you breathe and nobody make up that way. Don't follow what opinion and let the devil lead you astray. Salvation alone shall have vanity will vanish away. Praise the king of all king, everything will be okay. Hail up emperor, feel like the legendary. Who you think me pray to when me not the sanctuary? Now who make me arbitrary, put me in a no cemetery. Like a dictionary, lock it in a your vocabulary. Who know where you walk and who know say dignitary. And who know make the youth them get so revolutionary. Me see before it happen, so them say me visionary.
The sun can shine. Give thanks for life and the beauty of the morning. And all the uprising, working for the betterment, you know we always striving. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The children going off to school, it's a lovely day.
Every
My way
day.
makes a man, it's a lovely day.
Thanks some praise, y'all.
It's a lovely day. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The children going off to school, it's a lovely day. I pull my way, I make some man, it's a lovely day. Matters not what it meant, it's a lovely day. Yesterday is already gone. Give thanks for life to rise me up this morning. I'm up for make it through, but still life goes on. Push mama, push and let the baby born. It's the mother nature, she cries. The birds are singing and I. The morning is so gentle as a butterfly. Oh my. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The children going off to school, it's a lovely day. I pull my way, I make some man, it's a lovely day. Matters not what it may, it's a lovely day. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day.
Every day,
going off to school,
it's a lovely day.
I pull my way, I make some man, it's a lovely day. Matters not what it may, it's a lovely day. Get yourself prepared because the day begins to see. I've got so much things to do, I've got to see my way through. I've got to keep it right, need that to be sad and blue. I rise to be out of the morning sun, brings joy to my soul until evening come. The fear of us the boys are beginning of wisdom, so we go give thanks for life because life never done. No. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. Going off to school,
It's a lovely day.
I pull my way, I make some man.
Every day's a lovely day.
But it's not what it meant, it's a lovely day.
Boom shots.
The morning is so cool,
It's a lovely day.
The children going off to school,
Give thanks and pray.
I pull my way, I make some man, it's a lovely day. Matters not what it meant, it's a lovely day. The sun comes shining, give thanks for life and the beauty of the morning. And on the uprising, where we for the better man to know we always strive to give thanks for the sun. What about the rain? Talk about the joy, erase all the pain. We thank for prosperity, cause that's my aim. Can't afford to be captain on the people of sky, now. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The
Every
children
day,
going off to school,
it's a lovely day.
I pull my way, I make some man,
It's a lovely day.
Matters not what
Give
it
thanks
meant,
and
it's a
praise,
lovely
y'all.
day. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The children going off to school, it's a lovely day. I pull my way, I
Roll
make
up,
some man,
Shalom,
it's a lovely
Butcher.
day. Matters not what it meant, it's a lovely day. Yesterday already been gone. Give thanks for life to rise me up this morning. I don't know make it too much, the life goes on. Mama push, push, baby born. It's the mother nature she guides. The birds are singing and the morning is so tranquil as a butterfly. The morning is so cool, it's a lovely day. The children going off to school, it's a lovely day. I pull my way, I make some man, it's a lovely day. Matters not what it
Yes,
meant,
my
it's a
beautiful
lovely
royal
day.
family, I welcome you all home. Sing, people, repent, change your ways. Y'all better make way for the return of the Lord of Lords and the King of Kings. People, he's going to come like a thief in the night. You won't know the hour, the minute, or the day. But let me tell you, when the angels came to get me, I didn't even see it coming. It was just like, that was it. Done. Okay. So people, wake up. Do the right thing. Sing.
What is the secret formula? The secret formula. You want to make it in life. Clean hands and a pure. Pure. No bad mind. No bad mind. No grudgeful. No grudgeful. No bad mind. No bad mind. No grudgeful. No grudgeful. No bad mind. No bad mind. No grudgeful. No grudgeful. Anthony B. send me cup full. Full up now. Alright. Never gonna hold your man and go high up. Don't bad mind and tell them, say them time oh. Pick up me black brother where you climb up. Me nah go sit aside and swallow no iron out. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bang. Just to get that thing in a palm. And yo, keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hope your man go bang. Nah do me brother no harm. Hey yo. Bun the 666, me bun 69, 9 to 5. Me a juggle out there and look mine chop. Day to day shot a bombard and line me have to boom. Give thanks to King Selassie the divine chop. Make it never dwell up in a no crime. You must sick, you must be blind, you must see. Hey, judge that time. Yo, seek and you shall find. Me is a man of a next man and a place. Keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hope your man go back. We get no money in our palm. Oh, keep the faith. What is the secret formula? The secret formula.
Listen, lyrics.
Pure. No bad mind, no bad mind. No grudgeful, no grudgeful. No
No bad mind, no bad mind. No grudgeful, no grudgeful. No bad mind, no bad mind. No grudgeful, no grudgeful. Anthony B. send me cup full. Full up now. Alright. Never gonna hold your man and go high up. Burn bad mind and tell them, say them time up. Pick up me black brother where you climb up. Me nah go sit aside and swallow no iron out. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. Me never gonna hold your man go bang. Just to get that thing in a palm. And yo, keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go bang. Nah do me brother no harm. Hey yo, bun the 666, me bun 69, 9 to 5. Me a juggle out there and look mine chop. Day to day shut up and borderline. Me have to boom. Give thanks to King Selassie the divine chop. Make me make it never tell up in a no crime. Must see sick, you must see blind, must see. Hey, judge that time. Yo, seek and you shall find. Me is a man of a next man and a please. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. To get no money in our palm. Oh, keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. Nah, no me brother no harm. Well, hey, oh the youth him a shine so shine. Oh the youth him a climb so climb, a climb. Oh the youth him a gwan so gwan. Oh the youth him a galang so galang 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 galang. Man God bless. God let me do my work and cha-cha do the rest. Me cha-cha build the canvas. Truth manifest. Truth manifest. Me never bow, me never tell up in a them filthiness. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. Just to get it in a me mind. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. Nah, no me brother no harm. Alright, me never gonna hold your man and go high up. But bad mind and God's full go no time up. Pick up the youth them come me love see them and climb up. Me nah go grudgeful and swallow no I know. Keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. Nah put them in a me palm. Hey yo, keep the faith, keep on holding on. We never gonna hold your man go back. Nah do me brother no harm. Me bun the 666, me bun 69, 9 to 5. Me gone work on me working for mine. Cho, me hail Selassie, I'm a the savior divine. Bad mind, grateful them want to stop you from shine. You must see deaf, dumb, sick in your mind. Me bun the youth with them a bad man and a whole borderline. Alright, wait, it's judgment time. But the man will have a next man. Keep the faith. Keep on holding on, we never gonna hold your man go back.
Like out in your own intelligence, I behaving so disobedient. Evidently, Babylon can't represent me. No, I say, let Jah lead the way, cause every day I pray, send the leaders the lost their way, has enough of them gone. I say, let Jah lead the way, cause every day I pray, I said that youth them the lost their way. I long time I talk, it's like them never listen. I tell them stop shipping the shine and listen. Well, every day they get a new get missing by the gun. I see them now. I and I burn when it deep without delay. It's what you see in my every I got flames on roll, not the paper. I see them up, you want to keep your own number, not fit it, and that's so I say, let Jah from 1962 them triple. I come close and make me give you the history. Emancipate on the slavery mentality. But I need a UK colony. I give thanks them, I celebrate them 50. While black people under sprawl and poverty. I tell the island is the first, the system is a curse. I sing it in the way we get something in the world. I say, let your lead the way, cause every day I pray. Send the leaders and lost their way, cause enough I can go. I say, let your lead the way, cause every day I pray. Send the leaders and lost their way. Open your eyes and realize in time, cause everything goes with the wind. I guess I will never lose my mind, cause change is always within all the time. But it is what you change, light to the people's face, not right. Be mindful of the cycle of life. I say, let you live that way, cause every day I pray. There's a lost way, there's nothing gone. I say, let you live that way, cause every day I pray.
Boom shot. Yes, my devil people.
Get rid of money, yes, my people, come on, yeah, I guess it's time for my heart, falling from afar, yeah, I evidently Babylon can't represent we no.
Boom shot. Love it up.